All right, hello everyone. Tonight we're going to be cooking one of our favorites. What are we cooking tonight?
Italian soykey.
Ooh, it is so tasty. April is Soy Food Month, so we are celebrating by making some of our favorite soy dishes. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do, we're gonna make this whole dish in 15 minutes or less. Watch the timer. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I've got 7 cups of water in my boiler. That's going to bring it to a boil quickly. All right, so the next thing, what's the next step? What do we do?
Pour the marinara in.
Yep, let's turn this on.
When it's boiling, we can put in that.
Yep.
The soy curls.
All right, so this is marinara from Costco this time.
Whoa.
It's their organic marinara. It's pretty low fat and delicious. Okay. All right, what's the next thing we need to do? Can you measure 2 cups of this, please?
Yes.
All right. I'll be right back.
2 cups. 1 cup and then 1 more. Right?
Yes, 2 cups.
1 cup and then 1 more.
Okay, no. Let me just do 2. So we've got so far 1 jar of marinara, 2 cups of broth, and we are bringing this to a boil over medium-high heat. We're going to stir that in a little bit. The next 2 things we're going to do, we're going to add some Natural Grocers organic Italian seasoning.
This looks like orange broth.
It does, doesn't it? Okay, let's go ahead and add some of this. We're going to do 2 tablespoons. This is good stuff, all organic herbs. Okay, stir that in and bring it to a boil. Be really careful.
That's
Okay.
a little bit too much because I can't stir it in that well. I'm not that fast.
You got it.
Stirring.
Okay, so when it comes to soy foods, we always eat non-GMO or organic soy. I recommend that to my patients as well as a minimum quality standard for the soy that you consume. Okay, so we're going to put 1 bag of Soy Curls.
Whoa. I a little burnt myself, but I usually burn myself a lot.
Just a little burn.
Yeah.
Okay, this is boiling, so we're going to
Whoa.
add the Soy Curls. Alright, 1 bag.
I'm the chef and he's my sous chef.
That's right, always. Okay, so each one of these bags will reconstitute to 1.5 pounds of meat equivalent. So this
Meat is not soy curls. Meat is just the thing that comes from animals, and bacon is from pigs.
That's right. Do we eat meat in our house?
No,
Okay.
we're plant-based.
Yes.
This is a plant-based recipe.
It sure is. Okay. So right now we're just waiting for the water to boil. Then we will transfer it to our pan. I'm going to go ahead and turn this pan on low just to get this pan heated up a little bit and ready to accept that boiling water.
So this is Italian seasoning, organic. It has.
Tell us more about it.
Oregano, organic basil, organic margarine.
Yep, it's salt-free and organic from natural groceries.
Organic sage and organic garlic.
Organic sage?
May contain
Hard debris, yes. All of their spices say that, but I've never really found any hard debris, so don't worry about that.
I really like this spice because it's really basil-y.
Yes, it's delicious, and so this is boiling nicely. So I turned it down to medium. The dog wants to help cook tonight. She's getting frisky. Okay.
So good. That splashed on my nose.
Careful, it's hot.
Alright, this water is at a white boil. I'm going to go ahead and pour it in to our pot here and bring it to a nice rolling boil before we add the pasta. But everyone knows how to cook pasta. Most people do. It's one of the simpler dishes. Okay. Keep stirring that. We don't want it to stick. Keep stirring it. Yep. Stir carefully. Ooh. All right. So what do we do next, Seiji? She's already putting one aside to taste it. It's a little early for that, Sage. A little early.
I know.
Okay, so the pasta we're using today is a red lentil pasta made by Barilla. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but this is a non-GMO pasta.
The last thing that you said.
Barilla. This has only one ingredient, red lentil pasta, and it's really delicious. It holds its shape, and it's a really delicious, wholesome pasta.
I didn't know red lentils came in the pasta.
Red lentils do come in pasta form with only one ingredient, red lentil flour. So nice, wholesome pasta here. Gluten-free, of course. Because there's no added wheat or other gluten-containing ingredients. How is it? How is it, Chef?
It doesn't have any dairy in it either.
That's right. Okay, we're gonna turn this down to medium-low. It's
I actually
simmering.
like this. It's really good.
Actually, I'm gonna leave this on medium. Scratch that, medium-low. We're gonna wait for this to come to a rolling boil. We're going to add the pasta, then we'll turn this up to medium, add the broccoli, and put a lid on it. So this broccoli that we're using today, we've used frozen broccoli with this. We've used all other types of vegetables, even just chopped kale. Ooh, Chef, that is good. Chef Sage.
Yeah. Is it a little chewy?
It is a little bit chewy. Here, just leave it in there. Alright, Sage, that's enough with the sampling. Okay. So, Oh, we've got a rolling boil over here. I'm going to add the red lentil penne to the pot. Add a lid and turn it down to about medium. Now I'm going to set a timer for 8 minutes.
So good.
It's important to put the lid off to the side a little bit so that it can vent and not boil over while you're cooking your pasta. The chef cannot stay out of it. Is it delicious, Sage?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now we've got our pasta cooking. We're going to add our broccoli. In this case, we've got 1 pound of fresh broccoli. This is also from Costco. And earlier we sorted out the smaller pieces for this dish. So we're going to add 1 pound of fresh broccoli. Oh my gosh, are you hungry or what? Okay, can you stir it in? Okay. I'll stir it in so the chef doesn't eat it all. Okay, stir it in, please. Alright, we have to kind of fold this in. Last time we did this, we did it with frozen broccoli. And this time we're trying fresh. So we're going to fold this in nicely. And add the lid. I'm going to turn this up to medium heat as well so we can partially cook that or steam that broccoli. Our pasta has about 5 minutes left on it. How does this look so far?
Good.
Are you excited for dinner tonight?
Mm-hmm.
Did you help making it? Is it so much fun to help?
Mm-hmm.
I appreciate your help.
Don't eat it all. Save some for tomorrow.
I'm telling you, you don't eat it all. Save some for dinner. You want to eat it all before we even sit down for dinner, don't you? Do you love this meal? Is this one of your favorite meals?
Yeah. I eat it almost all the time.
Okay, we're just going to fold these broccolis in so they get down to the heat.
Smell it.
This is my favorite way to add any veggies to a pasta dish. I know a lot of people will cook their veggies in the pasta water. That's one way to absorb some of the nutrients into the pasta, but I actually like to have it in the sauce so there are absolutely no nutrients that go to waste in water. Ooh, that smells and looks so good. What do you think? Is it gonna be good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we've got 4 minutes left on the pasta.
No, not 3.
3. What are we gonna add to this when we plate it up?
I think hemp seeds.
Yes, you're right. We're going to garnish with some hemp seeds, kind of, what do I call hemp seeds sometimes?
I don't know.
Hemp cheese. Because they're kind of like little cheese crumbles, almost like Parmesan. And they're absolutely
That's
packed
wrong.
with healthy omega-3 fats, and they're delicious. Great way to add healthy fats to this pasta dish and Italian dishes in general. Okay,
This
pasta's
is
almost
boring.
done. I'm gonna give the pasta a stir. It's looking good.
Not boring.
All right, this is looking delicious. How does it smell? All right, let's see. Chef, how does it smell? It smells so good.
Can I stir it?
careful. Here, get the spoon up higher. So you don't burn yourself. There you go.
I haven't tasted any broccolis at this house.
Alright, Chef, go ahead and taste the broccoli. Tell me if it's done yet. Is it cooked or raw or somewhere in between?
Cooked.
Cooked? It's ready? Alright. We only have a couple more minutes on the pasta.
1 more minute.
Yes. Timer. 8 minutes is what we cooked this. Boiled for 8 minutes. Okay. We're almost done. Is this going to be so delicious? Are you excited to eat this?
She's just staring.
Yeah.
Are you tired?
Yeah.
Ellie, can you take the lid off? Ooh, that looks good.
Nice.
Yes, be very careful. Hot and bubbly. Okay, the pasta's all done. I'm going to drain it.
Have you got the strainer in there?
I do.
Did you get back?
Ah!
Okay, so we're going to plate this up. We've got a nice plate full of red lentil pasta, red lentil penne, that is. Okay. And we're going to top that with our delicious Italian soykey.
I tasted a soy curl. It was even more cooked, not
Yes.
not any more chewy.
Was it very tender and delicious now?
Mhm.
And same with the broccoli?
Yeah.
Great. Okay. The next thing we'll do is just, sure. Sprinkle some hemp seeds. And there is the finished dish. Enjoy, everyone. Quick, simple meal. This will feed at least 3 or 4. And very simple, very delicious, and pandemic ready. You can use any kind of frozen vegetables you happen to have in the freezer. We've used cauliflower rice, we've used broccoli, cauliflower. You can even probably put like stir-fry a stir-fry mix or Normandy frozen vegetables in this. Just about a pound of any type of vegetable on hand will go into this, along with these other shelf-stable ingredients, and it's really a convenient, delicious meal. One of our favorites. All right, take care, everyone. Enjoy Italian soykey. Bye, bye-bye.